Hi Pixeler, grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw a donut. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, light brown, light blue, green, yellow, light pink, and dark pink. This drawing is 18 squares tall by 22 squares wide. We'll start with the black color and skip 6 squares from left to right. In square number 7, we'll mark 10 squares horizontally. Bottom left, 2 horizontally. Bottom left, 2 diagonally. Bottom left, 2 vertically. Bottom left, 7 vertically. From this square, 1 to the right. Top right, 1. Top right, 2 horizontally. Bottom right, 2 vertically. Bottom right, 2 horizontally. Top right, 2 horizontally. Bottom right, 1. Bottom right, 2 horizontally. Top right, 1. Bottom right, 2 horizontally. Top right, 1. Top right, 3 horizontally. Top right, 2 horizontally. From this square, 5 up vertically. Top left, 2 vertically. Top left, 2 diagonally. Top left, 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 5 squares down and mark 1. Top right, 1. Top right, 6 horizontally. Bottom right, 2 diagonally. Bottom left, 1. Bottom left 6 horizontally. Top left 1. Here 6 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares to the right and mark 4 horizontally. From this square, 2 down vertically. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Bottom right 2 horizontally. Bottom right 10 horizontally. Top right 2 horizontally. Top right 2 horizontally. Top right 2 vertically. Top right 1. Now we're going to color in all the squares we marked. If you're new to the channel, or if you've been around for a while but haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll automatically become part of the Pixeler Club. Let's continue with the yellow color. From this square, skip 2 squares up and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, bottom left, 2 diagonally. And color them in. Take the dark pink color. From this square, skip 1 square up and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 2 horizontally. And color them in. Now take the green color. From this square, top left 2 vertically. From this square, skip 1 square down and mark these 2 horizontally. And color them in. Take the light blue color. From this square, skip 2 squares up and mark 2 horizontally. From this square, skip 2 squares down and mark 2 vertically. And color them in. Take the light pink color and color in all these areas. In the top corner, I leave a link to my other pixel art drawing channel where you'll find over 1,000 tutorials. All the videos have subtitles. Now take the light brown color and let's color in all these parts. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. And if you made it to this part of the video, comment with the donut emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. Sending you a kiss and a big hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!